Hi guys, we have here the Dansk Kobenstyle Chili Red 4 ounce 4 quarts casserole, 4 liters. As you can see here, great quality product from the Dansk brand. So let's go ahead and open up the box. This is what it looks like on the outside. So let's go ahead and open this up quickly to give you guys a look at the product here. It's a great quality brand, as many of you guys already know. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it generally comes in nicely sealed, nicely covered, so there's no breakage once you receive it. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Slide this out. So there you have the lid. See, nice, vibrant red color, nicely sealed in the plastic. Go ahead and give you guys a look at that color. So that's what the top cover looks like. Great quality brand, as you can see here. So now let's put this aside and let's give you a look at the pan itself. So as you can see, it comes nicely covered, so there's no breakage while delivery. And there you have it. You also have, informational use on how to use it and keep it clean and so forth. So this is the Kobenstyle. Take out the plastic. So there you have the pot. Give you a bottom shot view. That's what it looks like. Great quality product nonetheless. Highly recommended for those who are looking. So that's a quick 360 view. Give you a close look at the handles there. So if you're looking to purchase this this pan, you can visit the link in the video or in the description below. So there you have it, guys. The Dansk Kobenstyle. So let's put on the lid so you guys can get a quick look at what it looks like with the lid on. As you can see here, nice quality pot, elegant design. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.